Looking for the best open source photo management tool in 2025? Today we are putting Immich and PhotoPrism head to head to help you decide which one deserves your precious photo collection. Stick around because this comparison might surprise you. Overview. Both Immich and PhotoPrism are free, self-hosted photo management platforms. They let you take back control from cloud giants like Google Photos, but while they share similar goals, their strengths are very different. User interface and experience. Immich has a sleek, modern user interface inspired by Google Photos, intuitive, fast, and mobile first. PhotoPrism, on the other hand, has a clean but more traditional interface that is web optimized but not as polished on mobile. Immich wins here for casual users who want a plug and play experience, especially from their phones. AI and search capabilities. PhotoPrism shines with its powerful AI. It can detect objects, faces, locations, and even classify images without internet access. Its search is top tier for large libraries. Immich has improved face recognition and person tagging in 2025, but it is still catching up to PhotoPrism's deep learning engine. Performance and sync. Immich is built with performance in mind. It's lighting fast when uploading and browsing, especially with HEIC and RAW files. It also offers real-time sync via its mobile app, perfect for instant backups. PhotoPrism, while stable, can feel slower during initial indexing and large imports. Verdict: Immich wins for speed and real-time photo sync. Setup and hosting. Both tools are open source and run best via Docker. Immich is easier to deploy with simpler environment variables. PhotoPrism needs more configuration, especially if you want all features like TensorFlow AI. Not a techie? Go with Immich. It's more beginner friendly. Community and development. Both have active communities, but Immich has seen explosive growth in 2025 with frequent updates and a rapidly growing user base. PhotoPrism is more mature but develops at a slower pace. Immich is evolving faster, which is great for staying current with tech trends. Final verdict. Now you may ask yourself, which is better? For AI features, PhotoPrism is the champ. For speed, mobile sync, and ease of use, Immich steals the show. If you want a polished Google Photos alternative with quick setup and active development, Immich is your best bet in 2025. But if you are a power user craving deep search and AI magic, PhotoPrism still rules. Which one are you using? Just drop a comment below and tell me. And please don't forget to support us with like and subscribe and hit that bell icon to get all the new videos. And thank you for watching.